If you're a homeowner in Sugar Land, you already know how much comfort, curb appeal, and resale value matter. One home upgrade that consistently delivers returns in all three areas is installing energy-efficient windows. Beyond lowering monthly utility bills, these modern windows can significantly increase your property's market value, making them a smart investment whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years. Why energy efficiency matters in Sugar Land. Sugar Land's hot summers and mild winters place heavy demands on heating and cooling systems. Traditional, older windows often allow heat to transfer freely, forcing air conditioners to work harder and driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to combat this problem using advanced materials, insulated glass, and protective coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For buyers in Sugar Land, a home that stays cooler in summer and warmer in winter without excessive energy use is a major selling point. Energy efficiency is no longer a nice-to-have feature, it's an expectation. Lower energy bills attract more buyers. One of the most direct ways energy-efficient windows increase property value is by reducing ongoing expenses. Homes with upgraded windows typically see lower electricity bills because less cooled or heated air escapes. When buyers compare properties, predictable and reduced utility costs can tip the decision in your favor. In competitive Sugar Land neighborhoods, this advantage can translate into faster sales and stronger offers. Buyers are often willing to pay more upfront for a home that promises long-term savings. Enhanced comfort adds perceived value. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they improve daily living. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled insulation help eliminate drafts, reduce hotspots, and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This comfort is noticeable the moment someone walks into the home. Rooms feel quieter, cooler, and more balanced, which creates a positive emotional response during showings. That "feels right" factor plays a powerful role in perceived value. Improved curb appeal and modern style. Today's energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles, frame colors, and finishes that complement both modern and traditional Sugar Land homes. New windows can dramatically refresh your home's exterior, making it look well-maintained and updated. Curb appeal matters. A home that looks newer and more polished suggests fewer future expenses for the buyer, which can justify a higher asking price. Noise reduction is a hidden bonus. Another benefit buyers love, but may not immediately expect, is noise reduction. Insulated, energy-efficient windows help block out street noise, neighborhood activity, and outdoor sounds. In busy areas of Sugar Land, this can be a major lifestyle upgrade. Quieter interiors enhance comfort and privacy, increasing the overall desirability of the home. Strong return on investment. From a financial perspective, energy-efficient windows consistently rank among the top home improvements for return on investment. While the exact value increase varies based on window type and home condition, many homeowners recoup a significant portion of the upgrade cost when selling. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, you enjoy the benefits in the meantime: lower bills, greater comfort, and a more attractive home. A smart upgrade for Sugar Land homeowners. Energy-efficient windows are more than a cosmetic upgrade. They're a strategic improvement that aligns perfectly with Sugar Land's climate and buyer expectations. By enhancing comfort, reducing energy costs, improving appearance, and appealing to modern buyers, these windows help boost your property's value in meaningful ways. If you're looking for a home upgrade that delivers both immediate benefits and long-term financial rewards, energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest investments you can make in Sugar Land.